Hello, and welcome to my channel. I am the man in the Iron Man mask, and this is a Haslab Galactus action figure unboxing. Thank you guys for joining me today. I got this a while ago, and I decided to just do a quick video showing him off a bit. I got this off of Mercari for a pretty decent price, and yeah, it's pretty cool. I'm so excited to get him out of the box. That you see, I have my Thundercats t-shirt on. That's not the t-shirt I wanted to wear for this video, but I was just too excited. I did not focus at all. I got all the tiers that this toy comes with. It is very awesome. All the heralds, all the pieces, everything came mint condition. I really appreciate the seller for giving me a good price and providing all these pieces. I hate the styrofoam bits. Every time I get something, I pray there's no styrofoam. Those were the face plates that Galactus has, a scowling face and a skull face. The skull face, I guess, from Marvel Zombies, whenever something bit him and he became a giant zombie. And the scowl, of course, because he's Galactus. He's going to get angry. That is the Doom head that it comes with that nobody asked for. But I guess Doom is a pretty important character in the Marvel Universe. Gotta have a Doom head for Galactus. Why not? More styrofoam. This was such a pain to go through. But I eventually got him out and onto the table. Here he is. He took up like half the table. I kid you not. He is a pretty huge and hefty action figure. I really love this. I'm really glad Haslab did this particular figure. He's really hard to stand up, but you know, once you get the joints going, oh, there he goes. Yeah, the knees are pretty easy to maneuver, but the feet and the ankles are pretty difficult because he's got those armor pieces over his ankles, and yeah, they're hard to bend. So, but there he is standing up. It takes me a minute to get him pretty steady so that I can put the rest of his pieces on. But, you know, for video purposes, there he is on the table. His head moves all the way around, of course. He's like a regular action figure, just giant size, just 10 times bigger than a regular size action figure. I'm working the ankles a little bit to see if I could get him to stand. It is pretty difficult because the joints are extremely tight on the ankles, but the rest of him is good. His legs bend back about that far, as you can see. They won't go much further than that because of his kilt, and yeah, you can't bend them that far, but that's okay because Galactus doesn't do a lot of gymnastics. He's just Galactus floating through space, eating planets. This was a bit of a struggle for me. So while I'm doing that, you guys know I do a bunch of stop motion videos on here. They're pretty cool. If you want, you should check them out. I'm hoping to do a stop motion video with starring Galactus eventually. I got a couple more episodes that I got to finish up for my channel for season 2. There are some of the action figures I'm going to be using, of course, because they come with Galactus. Galactus can't go anywhere without his heralds. But yeah, check out the videos, and please leave a like, and if you want to, please subscribe, because that'll be awesome. It'll give me more inspiration to do more videos on this channel. There's the antenna pieces for his head that make him Galactus, I guess, his helmet. These were not too difficult to port in. I just didn't watch the videos to see which side goes where. But I finally got them in, as you can see. This figure needs batteries, by the way. Yeah, they go in on the top of his head. They're AAA batteries. Make sure you have those on hand. I'm pretty sure you'll figure that out eventually, but, you know, just so if you're watching this before you open a Haslab Galactus action figure, or before you buy one, just so you know, he needs batteries. He doesn't come with them. 2 AAA or 3 AAA. Put them in his head, and he lights up blue if you push that button in his chest there. The pictures will come up at the end of this video. There's the Power Cosmic. and the Silver Surfer surfboard. I had trouble putting that in there because, of course, I didn't want to scrape or break anything once again. And yeah, but once I got him in there, he looks pretty cool. Frankie Ray and Morg are two other action figures that come with this gigantic action figure. Morg is the huge guy with an axe, and Frankie Ray is the fire girl. She's pretty awesome. They're pretty cool action figures, and this is a pretty cool set. Yeah, so thank you, Hasbro, for thinking of us and giving us something that we really, really want and ask for, because this is huge, and it'll go perfect. If you guys like this video, please like and hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
This is how legends are made.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.